All right, subscribers and notification gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we drop detailing and pressure washing related videos every Thursday around 9 p.m. But moving right along, this video is about the unboxing and the first use of the IK Foam Pro 2. We'll dive right into this product right after this. Let's get it. All right, let's dive right into this unboxing. I purchased this with the intention of spraying motorcycles, wheels, tires, things of that nature. To try to get a little extra foam, a little extra clean dwell time out of my degreasers and my soaps. So let's get it. We're gonna jump right into it. It does look different from the original model. You know, I do have the original model, but this one, it definitely has the lock trigger, as well as it has the storage compartment to hold the extra tips to change the spray patterns. So stay tuned, we're gonna dive right into it. Let's open this box, let's check it out. All right, we have our different tips right here. We have our wet foam orange tip, as well as our dry foam green tip. And you know, we can put the different caps for the different tips that we have on the IK Foamer. As well as I see it has a lock trigger, it has a no tip base on it. You know, that's awesome because the first one would tip over because it was rounded a little bit on the edges. So that's awesome. You know, of course we have the release trigger on the top, but we're gonna dive right into it, man. Let's go ahead and look at this a little bit longer and fill it up with some soap and water. Let's get outside and test it out. Let's go. All right, we have our BRC wash and wax concentrate. We have our measuring cup. We have our IK Foam Pro 2 already filled up with water. We're gonna pour our 4 ounces in the IK Foam Pro 2. We're gonna test it out. We may have to play with our measurements just a little bit, but I'm not sure. So stay tuned, let's get it. All right, so we're starting off with the tip that it came with. This is the gray tip. This is the tip that comes in it. We're gonna test out the orange as well as the green later on. Of course, we know the orange is the wet foam, the green is the dry foam, and this is the, I guess, the in-between. So stay tuned, let's get it. IK. All I can say about the handle seems a little weak because you have the tip stored in it. If you find a better spot to put the tips, I think this product will work out a lot better. But that's just my opinion. If you're watching this video, definitely you need to do that. All right, I bought the Foam Pro 2 to remove bug guts. So we're testing it out in that form first, and we're just gonna spray it on the rest of the vehicle just for fun. So stay tuned and check it out. This is with the gray tip. All right, that's enough fun with the gray tip. Let's go ahead and see what the rest of the tips can do. Stay tuned, we're almost done. All right, now we're moving right along. This is the wet foam orange tip. Next, we're gonna use the green dry foam tip. Let me know in the comments, can you tell the difference in between this segment with the orange wet foam tip and the next segment that'll be coming up in just a second with the dry green foam tip? Stay tuned, we're almost done with the video. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification to be notified when we drop new videos. Stay tuned. All right, this is the orange wet foam tip. We're about to move right along to the green dry foam tip in the next segment coming up right now. Check it out. All right, this is the green dry foam tip for the IK Foam Pro 2. Let me know in the comments, have you had any experience with the IK Foam Pro 2, or do you plan on purchasing one here in the future? Let me know in the comments below. All right, after testing out all the tips, I definitely like this IK Foam Pro 2. The only thing I don't like about it is the handle seems a little weak, but other than that, it seems to be a good product. But with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.